card. Didn't have to go in there and fight nobody. I asked if they had chicken sandwich first because I was like, y'all got any chicken sandwich? They said, yeah, what? I said, because ain't nobody here. I said, I thought I wanted to fight somebody, or shoot somebody, kill somebody. You the first in. So this time we got spicy. Last time we had a regular joint, so see what spicy do. You ain't gotta tear in the bag like that.
I do, because I gotta put my fries in
my bag in.
It looks the same.
Really? It's the season on there. I said no pickle.
Yeah, I see some.
They can never get right.
I see some wetness on the paper. Yours thin.
It's thinner than normal. There's some hot sauce. It's thinner than normal. I guess they scaled back. I had a regular one not too long ago.
It was thick.
Yeah, it was in Law though. Law, Mississippi. Old poke.
Yeah, whatever that is, that's hot. Got a little kick to it.
Yeah, a little warm. A little warm. It ain't hot as people say. Oh, it's so hot.
You know, we eat hot stuff all the time.
Yeah, they moving on in. They opened 26 minutes ago. They said come back in about 2 hours, you won't get in.
For real?
Mm-hmm. For who?
For real, like Boosie. It's just regular. Just like the chicken.
That's what it's supposed to be. That's what makes it so unique. It tastes like the chicken.
It always tastes like the chicken.
No, it don't.
It did too.
So you tell
no,
it,
it tastes like some timbers.
They don't taste like some timbers to me.
Do with me.
No, not me. You can go to churches and get that southern fried chicken sandwich. It don't taste like church's chicken. It tastes better than church's chicken.
Oh.
You can get the regular chicken sandwich from there. It tastes like a chicken sandwich from everywhere else.
Yeah, what everybody was just waiting on them to open?
Mm-hmm. If it starts circling like shorts. They might well not even take no chicken out.
What you mean take no chicken out?
Just take sandwiches out.
Just that I'm off the mouth. So they might well just put the regular chicken on sale.
They should do that. Maybe it'll curve. You know, when people go in and be like, let me get all that chicken sandwich. I can get a whole box of it for $3.99. But then they'll be crazy. They'll be like, I'm gonna go and get a bite and let me get a chicken sandwich too.
I can't do these pickles on there.
Nah, that's why I ate mine first. A lot of people like the pickle part.
No. Yeah, who said, man, why y'all tripping? Yeah, it seemed like people had more a little kick to it, maybe because all the sauce was on it.
Yeah, but that's where I got mine. I took that pickle off and ate it. I was like, it was cheap, but I got used to it once. Too early to become the damn Popeye.
Yeah, you here?
I'm different. I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. He done back in, he finna go and do the damage. That's what he
It was just at the drive-thru. Don't be a hater because he eat more chicken than you.
his physique ain't like mine either.
Yeah, I
It
know.
is 10 hours, 30 minutes.
That dude said he a little more doughy than I am. T.I. said on my name Actually, we get a little, you a little doughier than I'm like, God damn.
These fries ain't worth a damn this morning.
They hot though. They ain't never been worth a damn to me. So you looking at them thinking you trying to compare the fry because of the look of them.
No, not to check.
The checker, yeah, you did. That's why you said it.
I knew that's what you was gonna say.
I could have said Wars.
Wars don't have no seasoned fries.
Yes, they do. They got
Seasoned.
regular seasoned and sweet potato fries.
I knew the sweet potato, but I didn't know nothing about the.
Yeah, you had.
You would know, wouldn't you?
I ain't never ate the sweet potato. Season one rubber down. I did that because that was in Ellisville. They fried be all mushy and God, like, I'm gonna just try something different kind of fry. That's Santa Claus?
I thought that
That's him. You getting this chicken sandwich on so he can fatten up for his time, get out there and do his thing. That's why he do it in the name.
too. Damn, you gone?
Man, this wasn't nothing but a snack.
So what you saying is I got to cook later.
Man, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Come on now. I've been cooking too much lately. And you know it.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have. I've been cooking 2 and 3 times a week now.
Wasn't there?
And you know it.
Must have been at your other woman, huh?
I don't cook that. All I do is eat when I get there. Eat all the groceries.
Jesus Christ.
Anyway, question. What's the earliest you think you should put a tree up?
Day after Thanksgiving.
The day after Thanksgiving?
Day after Thanksgiving?
Not before.
Nah.
Why not? People already playing Christmas music.
Why not? You already got people doing stuff that they ain't supposed to be doing anyway, everywhere. I always have. So why not? Huh?
Know what you missed. I can't get it out right now.
All them napkins right there now. Get on out of there. Where are we? Huh?
Don't worry about it.
Well, why are you going in there then? Ain't nothing in there. You already done sucked up all my napkins. I ain't got you a pile right there.
Mm-hmm.
The white man.
I knew you were going to say that.
That was one there too. Why you knew I was gonna say that?
Because I was thinking in my mind, it ain't just black people eat a lot of chicken.
But it's all black folks that acting a damn donkey over these mugs. But I ain't gonna say all. Maybe 99%.
You just went there talking about you got to jump on somebody.
I wasn't finna jump on nobody. Somebody came my way, I'd have killed them and then robbed the place of just chicken sandwich, no money. I said, make me every goddamn chicken sandwich y'all got in the house. That'd have been a good news story. Everybody talking about me all over the world.
Hell yeah.
See me running through them damn bushes with a sack of chicken sandwiches on my back.
Then Wesley Snipes be like, I'm just ashamed for brother.
Where's the pipes?
You know I didn't say that.
You said Wesley Pipes.
I said Snipes.
What's the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Well, they had a little thing come out They say the reason why it's touching blacks more than others is because if you go in a nicer neighborhood, you see a lot of nice grocery stores. You come into the hood, you see a whole bunch of fast food restaurants.
Okay.
And Popeye's sitting right in there. So it's like more readily. That's one thing they say. See, these foods, they like pack it in the drive-thru. But it depends on where you at. It don't matter anyway, because you got to wait on it anyway.
You didn't have to wait long.
No, I didn't. That's good.
They were prepared this morning.
It was not.
How you figure?
I don't know. Feel like dynamite.
They must have got somebody real slow with their drive-thru taking their order.
No, that's people that sitting in line like that person there, sitting there all that time. You should have known about what you wanted. Then they get us to see that person on the passenger side, start looking across the screen. You know damn well what you want.
All I've been seeing is white people driving up.
Sure will. Come to think about it, they getting in early to get away from y'all. That's what it is. We got to get on up and get over there. The light-skinned folks and the black folk, the white folk, getting on up in there early. So get that melee. Black folk will go dragging up in there with their flip-flops on and they damn, the Jiffy Pop bags on their head. I want my chicken sandwich. I want my chicken sandwich. Dragging their feet. I ain't noticed it.
Told you they're not white people.
Look at you noticing that. Boy, I tell you.
Shut up, boy.
Well, it come on the Negro. He got his little earphones on. He a truck driver. He done came all the way across the country to get one. I'm finna mess with him. Yo! Where you from, man?
Chicago.
You came all the way here to get a chicken sandwich, didn't you?
No, man. I parked up there.
I know. They finna kill you inside now.
Huh?
They gonna kill you inside. Walking like Bruce almost. He got the whole big muffs on his ear. Willie got the little bitty muffs for his little Bluetooths. Well, I knew he was a truck driver. Hell, he was parked over there, I know. I bet you gonna get a chicken sandwich, I promise you. And he probably didn't never had one. He probably like, man, that line look short over there, I'm finna go. But my first thought that morning was go to Sonic and get the garlic burger. They don't do them no more.
Garlic burger?
Yeah, garlic butter. It wasn't nasty, but I just didn't like it was so juicy.
Okay, but you want me to eat it?
You liked it, trust me. It was, like I said, it wasn't nasty at all. It was about like, I don't know what you be eating when you eating and it be dripping down your arm. It was about
I don't
like that.
I don't like to eat messy like that.
Well, look. See? She a little late. They got a hoodie on and everything. They should ban hoods, I swear.